You have to answer.
Yeah.
Come on. Huh?
Yes, you said yes.
Yes,
Oh my God.
done. हो गया.
This was really quick.
It was easy.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a very good afternoon right now over here in Calcutta that I'm here right now. I have with me three eminent experts who are literally experts in their professions, and we are here to simply have some fun. Let's see if two of my guests can decode the profession of my third guest. Are you excited to meet my first guest? I am. I would request Miss Amrita Ganguly to please switch on the camera and hi.
Hi.
How are you
It
doing?
was
Where are
really
you right now?
pleasure. Yeah, I'm right now in Kolkata. As I told you, I'm in Newtown. It's pretty rainy outside. So hope the signal doesn't become an issue. And yeah, thank you so much for getting me here. Thank you.
It was a pleasure, really. Thanks for your time. Sunday afternoon, and I could not have really asked for anything more than this.
It's totally cool.
Thank you. Pleasure having you here. My next guest for today, Mr. Varun Rai. Can you please switch on your camera and grace this video, please? Hey, bro.
Hey, man.
What's up?
Yeah. All good. And I'm live from Gurgaon. So yeah.
Why? When are you not on a client meet? Tell me. When are you not
Never.
thinking business? Any day, anytime.
Never.
That's the reason of your success.
Never
I'll
is the
say.
answer. Yeah. I mean, like, the best part about business is that you only look at opportunities. Yeah.
You can never go out of the business mode, and that is what I most like about you, man. That's really great. Thank you so much for sacrificing your time and being here.
I know, man. It's all lovely to, because we used to work, I think in another 3 years, a decade back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. It's
Sure.
lovely to get a chance to interact with you. Yeah.
Great, man. Pleasure having you here, man. After this, I would request my third guest for today's episode, Mr. Shoikot. That's only the first name that I'm going to give you all right now because the other two guests have a task to
Hello.
do today. Shoikot, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. What about you?
I am fantastic, man, as usual. Where are you?
Very good. At home, as usual. Lockdown time.
Oh, man. Tell me one thing which you are most liking about this lockdown.
Nothing.
How are you, Manu?
I don't like staying back at home. But yeah, I get some time with my son. So
Right. That's
a good
the
thing.
biggest thing right now. Great. So I think we are ready. I can see smiling faces, and let's see. The smiling faces persist for long. I just wish the entire video is as jolly as it seems right now.
Why? What you gonna make us cry?
No.
Let me introduce Mirza also. You know what? I think Mirza is a perfect, Galib in a cocktail. Galib used to write, and Mirza is now good with his words also, like writing as well as his voice. I am a big fan of Mirza's voice.
He's giving a complete feel that we have come for a talk show, like a Karan Johar talk show.
Exactly,
Let me introduce, and those chain bang lights falling on us. I'm like thinking myself wearing those fancy dresses and coming for the show. Cholo, thanks for giving us that feel. Because Zoom, these days, Zoom calls are only meetings, and now the people have stopped switching on the cameras also. Like, let it be off. You just hear us out and see the presentation, see the numbers, and just leave. So great, giving us that feeling that,
That's true, and that's true. I am glad you're liking it. And so I think we are all pumped up for the thing that we have come here to do. Just a little, just taking you through what we are here for. So Amrita Ganguly and Varun Rai are two of my guests who are going to decode Shoikot's profession, what he does in his life for a living. Okay. Y'all have y'all have 9 questions to ask Shoykot, and Shoykot, you can only answer the questions in yes, no, or maybe. These are the 3 words that you can utter. Okay?
Okay.
No using LinkedIn.
Do we win a gift hamper?
Absolutely. That was supposed to be a surprise in the last part of the video, but of course, definitely. So all the participants on my show will be getting goodies from All About Jobs. Once the lockdown is over, it will be delivered to your home.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm dropping you my address.
Yeah, absolutely, bro. I know your address. I'll drop by personally.
Then I have to give you my address.
Yes, I will take it.
You won't get, na? You won't get, because we are going to decode your profession. If we can't, then I think you will get.
No,
Right?
in my show, everybody gets.
Yeah.
Everybody is a winner.
Yeah.
Come on. We don't believe in that. Huh? I don't believe in that. Everybody
Bro,
can't be
he
a winner.
already announced that it's already an open book exam. You can actually chat. You know, you can actually send me the message. What did you do?
I will just ask Shoykot's surname and LinkedIn. Mein dhoond leti hu. It's so simple for me to find your.
That is the reason I told Shoykot only have one name.
So I will, my first question will be, what is your name? And he has to answer me, right? I am eligible to ask 9 questions.
He can only answer in yes, no, and maybe.
Oh, okay. That's bad.
Rings a bell.
Okay. So, okay. That's
Great.
why his name is Shoykot.xs.
XS. Great, man. Great.
Shall we start?
Shall we start? Yeah, absolutely. Any questions? Any questions? Like any questions for me, Varun, or y'all can definitely deliberate among
I'll
yourself.
let Amrita take the lead.
Okay.
Sure.
So, Shoykot, are you in a shift job? Is it a shift rotation, or you have shifts, or it's a regular?
No, I don't have shift.
Wait. This question could have been, are you in a 9-to-5 job? Shoykot saying no. Okay, so
that's what I 9-to-5 job. Does it has a no? Okay.
No.
Varun?
Do you like freelancing?
Sorry?
Do you like freelance work? Freelancing?
Yes.
Are you a freelancer?
Once again. If y'all have 9 questions, and if he is not in a 9-to-5 job, obviously he's a freelancer.
Why? Who says that? 9-to-5 job, he can be in a rotation job, so then I can guess that he's in a IT sector. That's how I'm trying to figure out.
That's like differentiating.
My question motive was, yeah.
Like, are you a freelancer or in a job?
So, are you a freelancer?
Yes.
I think Amrita and Varun, y'all need to deliberate amongst yourselves a little, because y'all are losing questions one after the other. So
we are not discussed now. Come on, how do you do? We can't talk amongst each other. Chal Varun, tu itna pooch, main itna poochti hu. We can't do that.
Give me a cheat sheet, now, bro. Give me a cheat sheet.
We are both of us eligible for 9 questions each, or it's together 9 questions?
Together 9 questions.
Okay.
Oh my God, this is mean. Come on.
Okay. Are you in a creative field?
Yes.
Are you designing?
Are you fashion? Are you in fashion industry?
Yes.
He's a fashion designer. Come on.
It design.
No.
Okay.
I mean, we don't know a specific word from the fashion industry. Maybe, I don't know if there are a specific word.
Okay, so what are the unconventional jobs? What are the unconventional jobs that you have in the fashion? What do you need?
Makeup artist, makeup.
Is that a question?
Makeup. No, are you a makeup artist? You have to answer. Yeah. Come on. Huh?
Yes, he said yes.
Yes.
Oh my God. This was really quick.
It was easy. Very intelligent people.
How did you go into that makeup thing, that he's a makeup artist?
He said,
dude, nobody can investigate better than a girl. Yeah, you don't ask that things. They're intuitive for them.
Now you're speaking. Now you're speaking.
The moment you smile, they know why you are smiling.
Oh my God.
No, so he made it himself very clear. He said he's from fashion industry. You said what are the unconventional job for a man? So I said makeup artist. So it's very easy.
Very easy, and it was very quick. I'm
The
glad.
cakewalk.
Shoikat,
Very quick.
Shoikat, you need to do something about your makeup so that people don't decipher you easily. What do you think?
I don't like to put that much makeup on me.
You dude, you already looking so.
Because you stay in Kolkata only?
Yes.
So you
Near
are
to
in
your
the
house.
New Town?
No. Airport.
Oh, and you are into Tollywood industry?
I'm not in Tollywood industry. I'm in fashion industry.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
But you have done makeup for eminent models. Like if you can name some of the models or some of the works that you have done.
Rukmini Maitra, Shubhamita Banerjee, Paulomi, Das.
That's great.
Many more.
I know. I and Shoikat, we met for a shoot. I think 6 years back. We met for a shoot and we did continuous shift of 24 hours, if I remember correctly. Do you remember that?
Exactly. Yeah, I can.
And you don't look a second older, man. So Varun
That
has
means
a
he's doing
digital
good in
release.
his job.
He is doing fantastic,
Sorry?
man. He's very renowned.
Yeah.
So Varun, let me ask you, like, when was the last time you stepped out of your home and it was for a fashion show? If you remember.
I mean, unfortunately, what has happened is that 2 years back, a lot of networks and all of that was. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. So I think 2 years back, 2 years back, when there used to be network launches. Some other day, some month, some network will come and launch themselves. So there are a lot of these walks. Or when I was working for the PepsiCo thing too. So yeah, during those times.
Absolutely. And Ms. Amrita, what's your experience with makeup apart from
Me
applying?
putting it on every day. Really much, not much. I am a makeup enthusiast. I'm a fashion enthusiast. I love this. I believe that makeup and fashion gives you as an additional power, strength to go ahead and face that world. I think that's something which I get happy to do, and I believe everybody should be presentable and
everybody who's watching this video. Everybody who's watching this video, I'll put a link of Amrita's Instagram page, and you should definitely go and watch that. Go through all.
That's great. But that's what I'm trying to say. Whatever makes you happy, do it. If makeup makes you happy, do it. There's no compulsion in doing. You have to do. If you think it's not giving you power, go with your bare skin. It's totally okay. No being judgmental in anything. Whatever gives you power and strength and happiness, go ahead and do it. For me, makeup is something which really makes me happy. So that's how I love putting in makeup. That's it.
Absolutely. Great. I think it was a very quick round, and I had an intuition that two intelligent people coming, it will not take much of a time, and we'll easily be able to guess it very quickly.
Varun, it is she.
No, Varun. So mine and your, the question pattern was going in some similar direction. So,
right.
The question when you asked him fashion, I was just about to ask him the same thing. Are you a freelancer or
you don't just believe, like but I was completely going into a different trajectory. Then I heard you saying, okay, I was going into merchandising, all of that.
Oh.
Like, what?
No. So when I asked him about makeup, he was like not answering. I said, you have to answer. Come on, I've got you.
Yeah,
he was like,
I got that. The moment you said makeup, he was like blank. I said, oh, okay.
Blank, yeah. He was blank. He was not replying.
Bang, you got it. Yo, man, yo. Amazing, man. Thank you so much for your time. And it was really, amazing getting on a Zoom call and, talking non-work things, not related to work.
That's
take numbers.
That's totally
exactly.
And once the lockdown is lifted, I'll definitely meet each one of you individually.
Yeah, same here.
Absolutely. And hope everything remains safe and this thing, whatever is going on, this pandemic and
Be
everything,
safe.
it
Comes
really
to an
comes
end.
to us soon.
Yeah.
I'm
Take it
wishing it
anymore.
this end soon.
Yeah, man, can't take it anymore, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's too boring.
Sure, it got spoke now. Great, man. Anyways, thank you so
Hello
much.
guys, then we take a leave. Thank
Yeah,
you everybody. Nice
absolutely.
talking to all of you.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you.
Okay,
everyone.
bye.
Thank you so
Bye.
much. Bye.